What's the first thing you notice when someone pulls out a brand new phone? It's usually the color, right? That's why Apple's fresh lineup for the iPhone 17 is getting a lot of attention, not just for its features, but also for its new shades. According to recent renders, all the iPhone 17 models now have updated color options that really stand out, though some more than others. The big change is that Apple has removed the Plus model and replaced it with the all-new iPhone 17 Air. Now, looking at the colors, the iPhone 17 Pro models are getting a bold orange color, which looks like a more fiery version of the old desert titanium shade. There's also a light blue option that was initially rumored for the Pro, but has now ended up on the iPhone 17 Air. Speaking of the Air, it seems to have the least exciting set of colors. The choices are kind of basic compared to the rest, just the standard light blue, and not much else that really pops. The base iPhone 17 models, on the other hand, are available in purple, green, and a surprising steel gray that actually looks pretty sleek. If you ask us, the purple and green options are eye-catching and will likely be popular with younger buyers or anyone who wants a phone that doesn't look boring. The Pro models are clearly being positioned as the premium option. They're getting the bold new orange, and while there's a gray that's so pale it's almost white, the real story is the new liquid glass color. While the renders don't show it clearly, this finish is expected to reflect light in different ways depending on the angle, almost like a color-changing effect. It's designed to match the new iOS 26 update, which will use similar visual tricks in the software's design. That's a clever way of tying hardware and software together. One thing that's worth pointing out, though, is the iPhone 17 Air's battery. It's said to have a much smaller battery, possibly under 3,000 mAh, which might not be great for heavy users. Since it's also replacing the Plus model, which didn't sell well due to limited differences from other models, it's risky that Apple isn't giving it more to stand out, especially when it comes to color options or exclusive features. This fall, Apple will be launching iOS 26 with the new liquid glass theme, and it looks like that experience will feel most complete on the iPhone 17 Pro models. Meanwhile, Android rivals like Samsung and Google are staying on track with their typical schedules. Google is expected to release the Pixel 10 series before Apple's launch, and Samsung will roll out its Galaxy S26 series afterward. But neither of them is making the kind of visible design changes Apple is bringing with this generation. So when it comes to who's making the biggest shifts, Apple is clearly leading in 2025, but whether that's enough to pull Android users away from their ecosystems is another story. With things like shared Google services, easy file transfers, and familiar app experiences, switching isn't easy for most people, no matter how nice a phone looks. Still, it's fun to see Apple shaking things up this year. If you had to pick just one, which color would you go for? Let us know in the comments below. And if this video helped you stay updated with the latest iPhone news, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more simple, honest tech updates.